What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Q, back here again with another video. It's been a while. It's been a long time. Just want to give you an update on a recent mod that I just did to the Accord. I got new headlights. If things wants to focus. Alright, I got new headlights. They are, I do have a DRL strip that is RGB. Chasing and all that good stuff, so I want to go ahead and show y'all this, if this thing would just stay in focused. Can you stay in focus? Hey! Alright, so let me show you. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see that. Brand new black housing. Let's see. Oh. Brand new black housing. You know. Whole lot better than the crappy factory ones I had. But anyways, let me show you the controls. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see my phone clear enough. So I will tag the guy who built my headlights. His name is Johnny. He is based out of California. I will put his tag either in the description or somewhere on the screen up here, or when I show you the headlights. But basically, download this app called Magic LED. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. My Bluetooth is on. Okay. Click that. I was already on it. Find your Bluetooth. If you'll focus. Find your Bluetooth. I guess number sequence, which is mine's right here. You click that. It will connect like so. Y'all see that? Okay, I can see it better. Now, before you can play through the modes, because it has like over 200 modes, first you gotta turn your headlights on. So press the button. Now they're on. It'll focus. Can you focus, please? Y'all can see that. Alright, so of course you can do the whole color wheel thing. You could change the color, purple, blue, all the way to green, and then yellow, and of course orange, and then red, purple, like so. Now what it gets interesting is, see, you can focus again. All these modes, it's up to 200 modes, so I'm gonna start from the beginning. I'm not gonna show you all the modes because that'll be pretty pointless showing you all the modes. You know, it'll take up too much time. Anyway, there's red, green, blue, white, warm white, and here's where the modes start kicking in. We got the rainbow. Give y'all a better look at the rainbow. Just going through the colors, try to give y'all a better perspective. This might be it. Alright, there you go. Second rainbow. Then with the orange in between, different colors. Then it comes with duo colors where you can do, let's see where it starts. It starts, do with your solids. And then it starts doing two colors right here. You got the red and green, the blue and red, aka cop colors, which from this angle, it doesn't look like a cop for real. Because I don't think, like, if I saw this behind me, I probably would not pull over, but you never know. I haven't tested it out, probably never will, because I don't want to get pulled over myself. But red and yellow, red and baby blue, red and orange, red and purple, you know. But that's basically it. Probably would have been better if I would have showed you the headlights in the daytime and then show you the colors at night, but you know how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Firstly, I got these. I was just playing with them for like the long. I was playing with them for the longest time. When I first got them, just going through all the modes, and you can change. You can go to the settings, which is right there. You can play with the different formats if you'll focus. Hold on. You know, with the RGB, GBR, RBG, you can play with the different settings and light fixtures and all that good stuff. But it's pretty much the app. But those are the lights. So it'll just focus. That's all I just needed once to come. Okay. But story time about the lights though. Happened with FedEx. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna tell y'all the story. Alright, so basically, so for y'all that don't know, I do live in Georgia. So to send my lights from here to California through FedEx was $100, right? Word of advice for all people who see this: never ship with FedEx. Go through USPS. Don't even go through UPS. Go through United States Postal Service. That's your best and safest bet. But anyways, so I had sent the headlights off because I wanted to get them back before Clean Culture, which ended up getting postponed due to rain, which never really rained, but that's a whole separate video. But anyways, I sent my lights off through FedEx. You know, they said they'll get there Wednesday. I think I sent them off the Friday before. So, okay, it'll be there Wednesday, blah, blah, blah. Cool, everything was good. I tracked it literally every day. Saw it said out for delivery on Wednesday. So I messaged Johnny, I was like, hey bro, you know, it says it's out for delivery, just be on the lookout for him. He's like, all right, cool. I'll let you know when I get him. So I get an alert from my FedEx app that said, hey, your package was delivered. So I DM'd Johnny, I was like, hey bro, do you have the headlights? It's like, no, they never came, I don't have them. I'm like, what do you mean? I sent him a screenshot that said delivered, and he's like, bro, I don't have them. So at this point, I'm freaking out because my brand new $200 headlights plus $100, so that's $300 I just spent on shipping, well, basically giving him the headlights to build them, and now they're lost, but it's just delivered. So he checks around his neighborhood. I call FedEx. I'm like, hey, you know, blah blah blah, y'all lost my shit. And they're like, we'll send the delivery driver back out there tomorrow and we'll follow up. We'll let you know something by Friday. So I'm like, okay. At this point, I'm like pissed. I'm stressed out. I was working at the time too, so my anxiety was like going through the roof, and trying to figure out, how do you lose a package? A big ass box. I sent it in a big ass brown box. The box of the headlights originally came in, I sent it to him. And I'm like, how do you lose a big ass package? How do you misplace it? I wrote everything. I wrote the address. I wrote all that perfectly. Like, it's perfect understanding. How do you lose it? Just lazy drivers or whatever. I don't know, but that pretty much ended my service with FedEx for the time being, or probably forever. But anyways, back to my story. So it's Wednesday. I'm like, all right, you know, nothing I can do now. It's somewhere in California, because obviously Johnny doesn't have them. He's like, hey bro, I'll just be on the lookout for them or whatever, just in case they pop up. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let me try to just relax. That's all I could think about until they finally found them. But okay. Thursday rolls around. Hey bro, did they end up popping up? Nah, I still don't have them. Called FedEx. He said check back Friday. Okay. Friday rolls around. I'm like, I call FedEx like, hey, you come to call Friday. What's the status? And they were like, we still couldn't locate them. Here's what you can do to file a claim to get a refund. I'm like, honestly, I don't want a refund. I want my fucking headlights, like, that y'all lost. Give me, like, find my fucking headlights. So I believe it was either later that night or some point Saturday, Johnny DM'd me. He was like, hey bro, look what happened. I mean, no, he said, look what popped up, and it was my headlights. And apparently, I'm not gonna give away Johnny's address or nothing, but apparently when I wrote a 79, they wrote down a 7. So they delivered it to so-and-so house number 7 instead of 79. So I'm like, you literally read the address back to me and I confirmed it, and y'all still messed up. Like, okay, bro. So he ended up getting it picked up, sent to his house. He was like, hey, bro, I got 2 people in front of you. I'll start on your lights on Sunday. I'm like, okay, cool. As long as you have them, hey, just as long as I have them by the Friday after that, which was the day before Clean Culture Atlanta Throwdown. As long as I have them by then, I'm straight. Just do what you gotta do. Cool. He does them, blah, blah, blah. He ships them out. He gets through them by like Monday or Tuesday or something like that. Ships them out. I get them, I think that Thursday. And me and my boy Q, which y'all seen in previous videos, we, myself focus, focus, there we go. Me and my boy Q, we installed them, you know, make sure everything, all the wires are good, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, this current day, they're working, they're fine, no complaints. Craftsmanship is amazing. All the wiring, the headlights themselves, the programs, super simple, straightforward. I recommend Johnny to anybody just based off, you know, what I have now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tag him right here, somewhere either right here or up there, you know. But yeah, just want to make this quick little update video to show y'all what's been new with the Accord. Probably not gonna mess with it anymore for the remainder of the year, just cause life problems, personal problems. I don't want to get into it right now, but just yeah, just always stay positive, and God always got you. That's pretty much all I'm gonna leave y'all with. But matter of fact, no, I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with, if it'll focus, I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with a shot of the lights. 1 second. It's not gonna focus. Anyway, give y'all a shot of the lights before I let y'all go. Yep, here she be. Yes, yes. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, comment what you like, tell me how you feel about the headlights, if you have any questions or things like that, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So until then, until the next video, peace.